It was New Year's Eve when we first learned that a company called Tenor Health Partners was going to take over operations of Sharon Regional Medical Center. Tonight, for the first time, we're hearing from the woman behind Tenor, or what is now called the Tenor Health Foundation. Radha Savitala says she's just days away from reopening and hopes the board of directors of the Buell Legacy Trust sees things her way.
Effective communication is what they are looking for.
Radha Savitala is the founder of Tenor Health Partners, which would operate Sharon Regional Medical Center under the nonprofit Tenor Health Foundation.
Long-term survivability of this hospital means a quick, effective, safe reopening. I cannot stress that enough.
Savitala hopes to have the hospital open in 2 weeks.
We're talking days. We're not talking weeks. We're not talking months. Once physicians start to leave, providers start to leave, once patients seek care elsewhere, it's really difficult to bring it back.
Savitala will keep Sharon Regional's current executive staff, but Tenor already has people in the building working to get it reopened.
No one from the team has said, this cannot happen. We cannot reopen this hospital. In fact, they rolled up their sleeves and they said, how and when can we make this happen?
Tenor has the $25 million needed to operate. $10 million from the Sharon community, $10 million from the real estate company MPT, and $5 million from elsewhere. Savitala says Sharon Regional can still be viable.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I have no question in my mind. The community is so strong. They are so supportive.
Savitala says one thing that could delay the reopening is the insistence of the Buell Legacy Trust to not drop its $25 million claim against MPT. Currently, a deal has been reached with MPT to lease the hospital to Tenor.
And when you are leasing a piece of real estate, you want to ensure that you have the ability to operate it long term. We're putting a lot of resources here. And so without knowing who's going to own the real estate, if there is a claim to the real estate, that becomes really difficult. And we also need to know, will they abide by any lease that we enter into with MPT?
Savitala wants the Buell Legacy Trust to drop its claim so that Tenor can reopen with a clean slate.
MPT is the one that has the ability to work with us and ensure that the hospital stays open. So we brought MPT the opportunity to do that. And why isn't the Buell Trust fighting for this community, for the hospital to stay open? Why are they not standing side by side with us?
Radha Savitala is a healthcare attorney. She has been involved with the acquisitions of 40 hospitals and has advised hospital executives. Now she runs Tenor, her own company that buys hospitals. Sharon Regional Medical Center would be its first.
We have, all of the components that are necessary to give Sharon Regional what it needs to be a viable community hospital.
The attorney for the Buell Legacy Trust said last week that the trust was never involved in the transaction involving Tenor and that the trust paid for upgrades at Sharon Regional. The trust board of directors also stated that while they won't drop the claim, they won't exercise the claim in a way that would interrupt the hospital's operations.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.